Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice crackers at home. Mix 2 cups cooked rice with 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tsp salt, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Press thin sheets between parchment paper, chill briefly, then cut rounds. Bake at 180 degrees C for 15-20 minutes until crisp and lightly browned. Cool completely before storing in an airtight container to keep them crunchy. Serve with tea or dip in wasabi mayo for extra flavor. Start by adjusting seasoning to your taste, adding a pinch of sugar or a splash of rice vinegar if you like tang. Fold in chopped herbs, seeds, or finely shredded seaweed for extra texture and taste. Press thinner for crunchier crackers or a bit thicker for a chewier bite, then keep a close eye in the oven to prevent burning and achieve even browning across the batch. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers calm, sensible lessons about money that pair well with mindful cooking habits. Think smart saving while you perfect snacks. I find its practical mindset humorous and grounding when measuring ingredients or budgeting groceries. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For consistent results, spread rice evenly and use a weight to press sheets flat before chilling for 15 minutes. Rotate baking trays midway through the 15-20 minute bake to ensure even color and crunch. If you want ultra-thin crackers, roll between parchment with a light hand, then bake a little less time. Let crackers cool fully to finish crisping, then enjoy with dips or on their own as a snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.